Let me show you something that really got me excited. I'm not into hard candy. I don't buy hard candy. But I love me my Girl Scout cookies. What some people call it the Samoas. Some people call it just the caramel, coconut caramel or something. Hard candy made a collection. I just got this yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday. It's sealed, so these are at like exclusive to Walmart. But I don't know. Hard Candy's website is not exactly working that well, so they don't have the entire collection. So if you wanna get this, you're gonna have to see if you could get it at your Walmart. You can try, doing one of those like nearby store type of searches, because this doesn't always come up. I had a hard time finding it, but I found out that it was at my store, so I got it at my store. So this is my favorite, which is the caramel. This one's called the Caramel Queen Shadow, and it comes with there's three. There's mint, which I can't stand, and they had the trefoils, which is, they're all like this except that they'll have like this one has 3 purples. The trefoils has the blue, so it'll have 3 blue, and then the mint has like a couple of green in there, but they're all basically like the same browns. So I just got this. I didn't even take pictures or anything. So it comes with a highlighter. It comes with a lip oil. And like a lipstick, I guess the ColourPop makes lipsticks like this. It's actually a stick that it's actually a lipstick. Let me see. And then I was questioning whether I should buy this, but I figured I could probably use this with that bronze mascara. This is called the Dark Chocolate Batter Mascara, so it's going to be a dark brown. So it's Girl Scout cookie batter. So I figure with that, maybe I could use this with that one that I just showed you. So they had green powder puffs, like the shape of the Girl Scout symbol. They had headbands. What else? There is a bag, but I think you have to order that as a set, because I couldn't find it, and then boom, it came up on the Walmart website. It comes in like, I wish it came with the purple, but it came with the blue. I think the blue and the green, and then it came with just 4 lip oils. So you can get the bag too. I'm trying to think. They had press-on nails. They had nail stickers. So they had a headband with the 3 cookies on them, or you could get the headband with the Girl Scout cookie logo on it. Trying to think if there was anything else, but I should have taken a picture of the display. But I'll see if I could find one online, and I'll show you that. But yeah, I haven't even taken pictures of